Good morning, student. In the previous video, we had studied about the representation of decimal number based on its place value. Now, we will learn how to represent decimal number in the number line. So, we will learn representation, representation, representation of representation of decimal on number line. So, student, we have already studied how a number is represented, decimal number is represented by use of its place value. So, suppose the decimal number is 0.6. Now we have to represent 0.6 on the number line. So, if we remove the decimal, its fractional equivalent will be 6/10. Similarly, suppose the decimal number is 0.07, and if we remove the decimal, then its fractional equivalent will be 7/100. So one thing that we have to keep in mind while converting a decimal to fraction, we have to divide as many zeros as they are digit after the decimal. Here the number of digit after decimal is 1, so we divide it by 10. Here the number of digit after decimal is 2, so we divide it by 100. Suppose the number of digit after decimal is 3, so we will divide it by 3 zeros. Suppose the number is 25.7 and we have to represent 25.7. This is decimal number. We have to represent it in its fractional equivalent. So it will be 25 and 7. We will write 25 7. Now since here number of digit after decimal is 1, we will divide it by 10. So this is the way of representing a number, a decimal number to its fractional equivalent. Now we will learn how to represent a decimal number on number lines. So for a moment, let's consider we have to represent 0.7. So first we will represent 0.7 to its fractional equivalent, which will be 7/10. So in 7/10 we have to represent 7/10 on number line. So first we will notice that 0.7 lies between 0 and 1. It lies between 0 and 1. For a moment, consider it is 0, it is 1, and it is -1. Now, since here that in denominator there is 10, so we will divide the division. We have divide the place between 0 and 1 into 10 divisions. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have divided the region between 0 and 1 into 10 division. So the first division will be 1/10, or its decimal equivalent will be 0.1. The second division will be 0.2. The third division will be 0.3. The fourth division will be 0.4, and so on. The last division will be 0.9. Now Let's take another example. Let's consider the number is 1.1.4. Now first we will find where 1.4 lies. So since 1.4 lies between 1 and 2, lies between 1 and 2, and the fractional equivalent of 1.4 is 14 by 10. Now since there is 14 by 10, we will divide the region between 1 and 2 into 10 division. Suppose this is a number line. This is a number line. This is 0. This is 1. And this is 2. So since 1.4 will lie after 2 and before 1, that means it lies between 1 and 2. So hence here that in denominator we have 10. So we will divide the region between 1 and 2 into 10 equal division. It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the first division will be 1.1, the second division will be 1.2, the third division will be 1.3, the fourth division will be 1.4, the fifth division will be 1.5. So we have to represent 1.4. So this division will be 1.4. So student, this is the way of representing a decimal number or number line. In the next video, we will solve some exercise problem of NCERT 8.1. Till then, stay home, stay safe.